saw your face in a big crowd, and now it's all I think about. I've had some leads, but nothing found. A puzzle I can't figure out.
Hey everyone, and today we are going to be doing my after Christmas disaster cleaning. This was Christmas morning. We just got done unwrapping presents. Trajan was making breakfast. I was trying to just get the house in order, start picking things up. I didn't really find homes for a lot of things. It was just kind of like putting things in different places just to kind of get it cleaned up. We were having Trajan's parents over later this evening, and so I wanted to get things kind of straightened up so that way when they came and brought their stuff, it wasn't adding to the disaster, and that way we could easily like tidy that up. And so it's not going to be perfect on this day. I was just kind of like putting things in places, like adding all the clothes into Waverly and Wasey's room, adding the clothes in my room, putting the clothes where Trajan's like kind of clothes go, just kind of putting piles where they go. And I feel like that was just like the best way to do it, because for me personally, I need to do a lot of organization, and that's not going to happen until I give my house like a deep clean and I take down all of the Christmas decorations. So let's go ahead and get all this wrapping paper cleaned up so we can start to organize all of the things that we got. I hope you all had a great Christmas, and you'll have to let me know what you did. We ended up going to my parents' house for Christmas Eve. It's also my mom's birthday, so we had a little birthday party for her, and then just celebrated Christmas with my family and some of our extended family of my mom's side. And then Christmas we were just at our house, and then Trajan's parents, like I said, came over in the evening, so it kind of kept it pretty simple, but it was still a busy and filled day. It felt like Christmas. We were just going non-stop, but it was absolutely the best and just so fun Christmas morning with the age of our kids. They're definitely just, you know, it's just so fun right now with them, with how old they are and everything like that. But we are so excited. Waverly is going to be getting her ears pierced soon. That was one of her things that she's been wanting, is holes in her ears, so she's going to go get her ears pierced. And then she got a Tony box, a few, like, you know, lots of other things. We got this basketball hoop, and, you know, he is in the kind of point of life where he just kind of cares to play with anything but a toy, but he did love the trucks and things like that he did get as well. I ended up getting a new coat, new water bottle, shoes, clothes, you know, just my typical kind of stuff that I ask for. So we just kind of had our simple Christmas, but absolutely love everything about it. You'll have to let me know how your Christmas was and what your favorite thing that you got was.
This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to bring it. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to make you dance, dance. You're never gonna catch me. Dance, dance. So what if I'm crazy? Can't take me out. I'll never come down, down, down. Hey boy, can you catch me?
So once I got the wrapping paper cleaned up, made sure I wasn't throwing anything away that I shouldn't, I was starting to just sort things, put things into the room, like I said, and that's a whole other project, but just getting the living room back to normal feels so good. I've been so motivated lately, so expect a ton of new cleaning, organizing videos, decorating videos, just decluttering. So much motivation is coming your way. I'm feeling so motivated, and I feel like this last half of the year I've just been like kind of struggling with getting my house in order, getting it cleaned. So now that it's the new year and I feel like my Christmas is down, I can feel refreshed and just get things organized in just the way that I want them. I want to redecorate a few spaces. I want to do some projects like painting the hutch, finish painting the kitchen that we never got to before we moved in, the bathroom. We're going to be redoing the kids' room, and I'm so excited. I think we're going to go with like a cowgirl and cowboy kind of theme because Waverly is obsessed with Lainey Wilson. She ended up getting a guitar from Trajan's parents, so we're going to kind of do a Lainey Wilson like cowgirl theme on her side and then a cowboy theme on the other, so they kind of mesh together, and I'm super excited to see how that ends up turning out.
Hey boy, do you see me? Hey boy, do you see me over here? Like what you're getting? You can't get enough, can't get enough. This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to bring it. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to make you dance, dance. You're never gonna catch me. Dance, dance. So what if I'm crazy? Can't take me out. I'll never come down, down, down. Hey boy, can you catch me? This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts.
I'm just piling this garbage and boxes, all the things right here, and then we're gonna move it all into the hallway. We were like trying to get breakfast done at some point during this, and then I finished cleaning up the rest of it after breakfast, so it was kind of like a mix of both. So we were just kind of getting it straightened, ended up taking it out. We're gonna have to wait for a couple of loads of the recycling to come for the boxes that we have because the recycling bin is full right now. So slowly we'll get things kind of picked up and cleaned slowly but surely. So if you're feeling overwhelmed with, you know, your house being a disaster, everyone's houses are like this, and just slowly but surely you'll get it cleaned and organized. But thank you guys all so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.